Okay, guys, example number 4 says, write x plus 2y equals 6 in function form, then graph the equation. So I have two things that I need to do here. And I got to tell you guys, this is super important that we know how to do this, okay? Because we're going to do this forever. We need to know what the word function form means, okay? What that means is get y by itself. Get y by itself, always, in function form. So what's the first thing that I have to do with this equation in order to get y by itself? Fritz? I need to get rid of the x. How do I get rid of this x? I'm going to subtract it from both sides. And that's going to leave me with 2y on the left side, right? Because these two things just cancel. But you know what? For function form, these two, the x always has to be in the front. The thing with the variable always has to be in the front. So I'm going to have negative x plus 6. Everybody okay so far? Tut, the y is not by itself. How do I get the y by itself now?
You divide 2 by itself.
I have to divide everything by 2. Okay, so now y is equal to negative x over 2 plus, what's the last thing back here? Nikki? What's this turn into? Turns into 3. Exactly. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Good job. Now, this is in function form. Y is by itself, x is in the front, the number's in the back. Okay? Now, if I want to graph this, I need a table of values. But let me ask you something. Looking at this function, looking at this equation, whoa, why did I put y over there? Looking at this equation, what kind of x's do you think I would like for this one? I can pick any x's I want. I want to make them as easy as possible. What kind of x's should I pick? Justin? Not necessarily negative x's. That would be okay. It'll flip the sign. What do you think, Albert?
-1, 0.
No. Alex?
Something that equals 3.
No, it doesn't have to be. All right, I've got a lot of guesses. Liam?
1, 2.
No. I'm going back to Justin now. Justin?
A negative, something that is even.
It doesn't have to be negative, but it should be even. Because I'm dividing by 2, guys. I'd like it to come out to a whole number. How about this? -2, 0, and +2. How about that? So when I plug it in, it comes out to a nice, pretty number. All right, well, let's get our 3 equations. Y is equal to negative parentheses over 2 plus 3. You see how I'll put parentheses, my little box there for the x? I'll plug it in a minute. Y is equal to negative parentheses over 2 plus 3. Y is equal to negative parentheses over 2 plus 3. Boy, I had to squeeze that last one in. All right, so we chose -2, 0, and 2. So this first one's going to give me y is equal to 2 over 2 plus 3. Y is equal to 1 plus 3. Y is equal to 4. So when x is -2, y is 4. This one over here is easy. Y is equal to 0 over 2 plus 3. Y is equal to 0 plus 3. Y is equal to 3. Okay. And then this last one, y is equal to -2. Oh, come on, smartboard. Come on, smartboard. Okay. -2 over 2 plus 3. Y is equal to -1 plus 3. Y is equal to 2. All right. Now I have 3 points, Liam, so I don't make a mistake, right, when I'm graphing. Okay. I've got -2, 4. That's right here. I've got 0, 3. Okay, that one goes right here. And I've got 2, 2. And that one goes here. I'm going to draw my line. It goes straight through, just like that, guys. Beautiful. Function form and graphing. Function form means get y by itself. All right? Great job, guys. You're ready for your homework. See you tomorrow.